Oh my goodness, this is incredible. We're here at the heart of the watchmaking valley, aren't we?
Yes, thank you. We're here in Biel, Switzerland, the center of the watch ballet at Sabato Group.
It's wonderful. And just when you look around, everything is immaculate, isn't it?
Yes, it's important. You know, we make only precision and high quality parts. So for us, the whole company have to be clean like an hospital.
It really is. And for me, when we talk about watchmaking components, I find it very difficult to describe, because you talk about precision, and we often hear the word precision heard a lot in industry, but I think with watchmaking it's next level, because you don't see it with your physical eye, but the intricacy through a microscope, you see the level of detail. And to me, I can't put that into words. You know, you'll say something that I'll go, that's high precision, and you'll go, no, 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 we're next level. And I don't know how you describe that.
Yes, the next level is not just precision, it's also with quality and aesthetic. That's our value at Sabato Group.
It is, isn't it?
It's just not okay, the tolerance it's okay, but the part is perfect, immaculate, and just like us, just perfect.
I love this. Arnaldo, tell me about your story here, the machines that you've gone for and what type of components it is that you're making, because you're not actually making the parts for the watches, are you? You can, but you're like the beginning, the birth. You're making the tools so that companies are able to make the components for the watches. Is that right?
That's right, yes. We make components, but we make also watch tools. And you know, the precision of the watch components at the end make the tool.
It's like you're dictating to industry what, you know, what is possible.
It's possible, of course, yes. The customers come to us because we have a very high precision level. And if we can manufacture this prototype, there will be for them easier to open a little bit the tolerance to make largest batches.
And what type of tolerances are you working to?
By us, it's plus minus 2 micron is standard tolerance.
I can't even, it's unfathomable. Honestly, I can't get my head around it. So you've gone for Sodick machines. Now these are older machines, that's
yes, right? That's the grandma. That's the older one. He's 24 years old and he's still working every day in the microns.
Wow, you know, this is what grandmas can do.
Yes, that's our oldest tractor that we have in the factory, and we're very happy that we have here now. We have here 2 generations of machine based on the same technology.
So, forgive me, but these, you know how you started the company and you were very much larger batch work?
Yes.
You then took a turn, didn't you, within the business? So you wanted to go for smaller batch, so you went into the tooling side?
Yes, of course. In 2010 plus minus, the watch industry changed and they make all manufacturers. That means that the marks, the customers make the watch components himself, and we have to change a little bit our strategy and make the tools. And we make this on the same machine, and this machine are able to do small batches to biggest batches to one piece.
So you're telling me the machines behind us were making the large batch runs, and then 20 years on, you're now hitting the same tolerances for the intricacies of the tool work, where you are hitting those really tight tolerances.
Yes, very tight. And what's good is with the machine, you can mill, for example, here on the milling machine, you can mill brass, copper, hardened steel, gold, everything. The machine, it's equal what's milled you do inside. The tolerance and the accuracy will be the same if you work with the machine good.
And what's quite interesting is, I know we're here by the milling, and we'll go down to the machine shop in just a moment, but you're here by the milling section, but you've also gone for your sinkers and your wire machines with the same brand, Sodick.
Yes, we have Sodick everywhere that we can have. We have Sodick in the milling. We are more or less one of the company that had milling for Sodick machine, because not everyone needs this precision that we need, but we also have Sodick machine in the wire. That is our biggest department that we have by Sodick. We cover everything with the wire. Fine cut, a little bit bigger, water, oil technology, every technology that Sodick has, we have in-house.
I like that. So you know a lot about Sodick machines.
Yes,
then.
you know, the story with Sodick started more than 20 years ago, so we know Sodick's very good and we know what the machine can do.
Yeah, I like this.
And machine can do that what we need and more.
So you've shown me the machines, but I want to see some of the goods that you're producing.
You would like to see
Yeah,
something?
of course.
Okay, of course. So, Lyndsey, look, that's more or less what Sabato Group can do. We get watch tools, and watch components, watch
Yes.
parts.
This is recognizable. You can see how this
You know what it is?
it's a lunette.
Yes, that's a tool for a lunette, of course. This is more special, you know? This is pick and place a little small product, and then you have at the end the little tiny pin.
I mean, oh wow. You can't see it with your eyes, and here you can see like the intricacies. It's incredible.
Yes, and at the end, what important is this: the tool completed mounted. You know, you can do all the parts. If you can mount, you have nothing.
Then you
At the
have
end,
nothing.
this is important: the end product. And by us, Sabato, with our values, you can't tell me how we produce the part. I know how.
Yeah.
You can.
I can't. And what's this then?
This is one of our products that we make at Sabato Group. It's a micro clip that, if you see at the end, we have a watch component just over here.
Yes.
And the important is to catch the parts and to look them under the microscope. You know, maybe sometimes the part is so tiny that you can handle it with a pinset or something like that. So we developed this product to fix them and can inspect them under microscope. For example, you can turn here and see all around the
for
component.
measuring.
So it's easier for the people that inspect the parts to catch them.
Off camera, you said to me that you can have speed and you can have accuracy, but you can't have the two together. What do you mean by that?
You can have both together, but the result at the end is not precision. You can go fast and good. Also, you go fast and not good, or you go slowly, but the precision and accuracy that you have at the end, and is that what we, by Sabato, we're searching about? Precision, quality, not speed.
I love this. And when, you know, on your milling machines, the way you cut your components, you're not taking deep cuts, are you? You're not pushing the machine to the limits, you're just keeping it, taking its time and just staying on tolerance and accuracy.
Exactly. At the end, is that what we're searching about? Precision of our part. You know, we make maybe two parts, but more often we make just one. And the goal is that the one that we make, this one comes good.
Yeah.
So we go slowly, but the machines are so good that what we program, they do that.
What's the future for watchmaking? What are your thoughts? What excites you still?
The future is, I don't know. You know, we at Sabato, we make prototyping, and that's our goal, and that's what we love here to do. At the end, if watchmakers are developing products, we hope that we'll be the part of them, and that's what makes the job interesting. You know, at the end, no idea what it make next year, but we know that we will do something.
You like the challenge?
Yes, at Sabato we love challenge.
Fantastic. Thank you for letting us as a crew in here and seeing that kind of behind the scenes of your facility, and knowing that it comes from family. Luigi from the top, he's passing it down to his sons, and you're embracing it and taking it next level, and you're wanting to grow it even further, aren't you?
Yes, we trying to growing, of course. That's the future. That's why we have the group right now. But at the end, what's important is what you see at the hand behind me: precision, quality, and aesthetic. This is Sabato philosophy. Thank you, Lyndsey.
My pleasure.